All right, guys, we're going to be checking out the Sanlita archery compound bow that they sent me in. I'm going to take it, and right after this, the intro little area, we're going to take it out there. I'm going to do some shooting. I'll show you from the target's angle, and then I'm going to turn around and I'll show you from my angle, actually drawing the bow back and firing it. And then we'll come in here and I'll actually break down what you get with the bow and the price and all that. And then I'm also going to, at the end of the video, I'm going to put up a couple of pictures. I'll put up some screenshots of all the specs on the bow. So enjoy. Next will be the shooting part of the video. And then after that, like I said, we'll come back in here and I will show y'all the actual bow and break down what all comes with it for the price. All right, guys, we're going to take a couple of shots of this thing. On kind of a makeshift target. All right, guys, we're going to shoot this thing. I've got target there. The reason why I'm having to use that is if you remember when we were doing the crossbow videos, I have my actual target and I left it over there at that property. So I had to improvise. That's the first shot. That wasn't bad. Now I haven't set up the sights or anything on this bow. I haven't taken, this is the very first just initial shots out of this thing. And I'll tell you, I'm pretty impressed with it. We're going to see how much noise is coming across on the microphone, but my ears aren't picking up a lot. And once we get into showing you this bow, I'll show you the sights that came with it and the rest that came with this bow and the arrows, along with this quick release that I'm actually using right now. So there you go. That's a pretty decent grouping right out of the box, especially since, like I said, I have not set up the sights. I was shooting that with no sights. I'm pretty happy with that. We'll take and I'll shoot a few more. I'll move the camera. Okay. Now we'll take some shots this way so you can see the bow and kind of how it reacts. These are the arrows that came with it, with the field tips, and the quiver, the sight, the dampener, even this quick release. And I've got the bow set up really light for out here because we're just kind of getting some video of shooting this thing. One, I'm in the neighborhood, so I didn't want to fling these things full power, and two, I don't want to be terribly tired out here for doing this video. And I'll show you, when I say that I'm not using the sights, I'm not looking down the peep sight and using these sights. And once we go through and I show you all the different parts of this bow, you'll see all the pins are still right in line. They have not been adjusted. I've been shooting bows for a good period of time. I'm pretty used to firing without sights. And also, we're not shooting a terribly long distance, so it's not terribly difficult to get these shots. So we'll take the camera down there and I'll show you. That's my grouping I got just right out of the box. So now we'll take it inside and we'll go over what the bow costs and everything like that. All right, guys. So this is our bow that I was just out there shooting. You can see the size of the cams that are on that. And if you look, you can see where the cams are adjustable. They go from 31 all the way down to 17 inches on the draw. And that's your bottom cam there. It came with these sights, and like I had mentioned earlier, you can see those pins. That's what I was talking about, where I haven't done any adjustment. And these pins do light up. It's got a small light above it. It came with the detachable quiver, and it came with 8 of these arrows here with the tip on it. And these are a carbon arrow, just regular fletching on them with a plastic knock. This is the whisker biscuit style rest. And then like I had mentioned out there while I was firing it, if you see, the bow has not been tightened down to anywhere near maximum draw, but this thing will adjust from, let's see here, from 0 to 70 pounds. So you've got a lot here. And when I looked this up, like I said, they are affiliates with the channel now. They sent me this to do the video on. This, if you were to buy this, oh, and it comes with a bag too. I'll grab the bag here in just a second. To buy this bow with everything that you see here, arrows, practice tips, the light up pin sights, the rest. This is the little balancer that I was talking about. All of this delivered to your door straight from Amazon is $189, I think is what the last price I looked at. Now that may have been on sale. I'm not 100% sure on that. But I'm going to put a link in there for their website where you can use my code and go in there and you can take a look at this. They have bows that are more expensive. This is the Dragon X7. They have the X8, the X9. They even have some competition bows out on their site. They have bows that go all the way up to almost $1,000 or better. So this is not their youth bow, but this is their entry level. It seems to shoot really well. I'm going to go back and look at the video and see how quiet it was. But for me, just standing out there with it, it certainly didn't seem very loud. I had a couple of Bear compound bows over the years. I've had old PSE, and just because of old technology, they were louder than this bow. And the fact that it's got 75% let off too, you can pull this bow back and it's not gonna kill you. That old PSE that I had, it would go up to 70 pounds, but we would have like competitions with that thing to see who could pull it back the most times. It was a bear. But hope y'all enjoyed the video. I'm going to put their information up there. Like I said, the link will be in the channel description. You can go directly to their website from that link, or you can go over in the channel description and you can see my Amazon channel. You can go directly there, and I'm going to have the bows and their stuff set up on my Amazon channel as well, so you can click directly from there and go to it. So stay tuned next time. Like I said, if you watch the live, we are going to be doing some powder coating on the jigs and stuff that we did out here just the other night, and on our Bo Peep jigs and stuff like that. So we're always working on the channel. Also, behind the camera right there is my little 16-foot stock craft bass boat that the Yamaha motor decided to give up on me. So we're going to be working on that as well. Definitely, like I say, stay tuned. Check us out. Go check out these bows if you're looking for something that is relatively inexpensive, but you're getting your money's worth and then some with these things.
Out by the river where the cattails sway, morning mist rising, chasing night away. Boots on the frost, a rifle in my hand, a man and the woods. no need for a plan. I'm chasing the whitetail through the trees.